giving me a headache. I do not like it. I'm not happy with their hype is all about. All the influencers are, posting about this and telling it's so good. I just do not like it at all. This is so good. This smells so. Welcome back to my channel on Tales of Auna. Today I have some great recommendations and some reviews on some of my favorite perfumes from one and only brand Plum. As I see that people are actually looking for all these Plum's perfumes, so I just thought that why I don't come out with a new Plum perfume recommendations which are going to help people whether they should buy and or they should miss it. So yeah, let's get started with the video. Okay, so I have a few of Plum's perfumes. So I'm thinking with which one should I start with the most trending product or a least trending, or rather I can say it is an underrated product. This one I do have this small one. It's the Plum's glitter something the night. They have discontinued this, so you won't get this. This perfume, this perfume smells so good, so incredibly good. I do not know why they have discontinued this. It smells so good. I just love this perfume. It is there all night out something. It's glitter all the night, something like that, which they have discontinued totally. I have looked on their website on Nykaa, Myntra. It is nowhere. I do not know why they have discontinued this. Please, Plum, if you ever see my video, please do come out with this variant. I just love this particular perfume. This stays on your body. It is a sweet smell. Okay, this is a very night kind of a smell which is going to stay. It's going to linger all night. When you wake up in the morning, you are going to smell this perfume all day. It's so good. I just love this. I have used this month. Just a little bit is left. I do not want to spend it. I just keep it. I do not want to use it. I just love, because I know if I complete this, I'm not going to get this anymore. So yeah, this one, I will, I totally forgot the name, so I will just mention on the screen the name of this product. You sadly you won't get this product, but I was just telling that yeah, it's a wonderful product. Okay, so the next one is also a mini bottle. This one is there. I think you all have tried it. It's a very popular perfume. It's the Plum Smoking Vanilla perfume. I particularly, if you want to know my review on this, it's okay for me. I am not a huge fan of the Smoking Vanilla perfume. It's a light, different kind of a vanilla smell which has a smoky on it, sweeter, and then a smoky smell. This kind of remind me of a Zara tobacco perfume, which I used to have it back then. It reminds me of that. So yeah, it's a good perfume, and the longevity is also good, which I love about Plum perfumes. So yeah, this is a basic perfume for me. I'm not a fan of Plum's vanilla smoking perfume. Okay, so the next perfume which I have with me is the Plum Tulip Stone Light perfume. This perfume is, I do have a other video completely on this. You can check that video out. But if I want to tell that, see, I have used it this much. I have used this a lot. So if you want to know my review on this now, I would say I like this. Okay, I like this. It's a florally kind of smell, but the smell of this perfume is a little bit powdery, which sometimes I do not like, because I do not a fan of a powdery kind of a smell. But for initial time, when you are applying this, you get the smell of a floral, kind of tonkas and some sweetness and some florally, which I completely love about this. And this perfume stays on my clothes, on my body. I got compliments applying this. So yeah, I would recommend this. If you already have, this is actually the newer version of Thousand Woman, something like that. So if you already have that perfume, you should not need to repurchase this. But yeah, I totally love this perfume. You can get this. Okay, so the next perfume is the Vanilla Caramello Plums perfume, which is loved by all. I know you guys love this. I also love this. I'm just giving you an totally honest review on this. If you want to try a low budget caramello, sweet caramel vanilla kind of perfume, you should try this, because this is the dupe of Sol de Janeiro's salted caramel perfumes dupe. This is versatile perfume. Whenever I go out, whenever I go out in the night or anytime, anywhere, I apply this. I love this perfume. Even I have totally got compliments applying this perfume. I do not know, like this stays on my body, this perfume stays on my body. Even I think that perfume now vary from people to people, because my best friend also uses perfume. She tells that it doesn't last on her totally, so she do not like it much. So but I just love this perfume. I don't know. It smells caramello, nutty, and sweet vanilla. I just love it. I do not want Plum to discontinue this variant because it stays on my body. It stays completely for 7 to 8 hours. It's completely staying on me. I can smell it. I just love this perfume on me. So yeah, this is also recommended by me. Okay, so we have come to the end of this video. The last perfume which I'm going to talk about, I have already mentioned that on my shorts, but I have come out with a reviewed version of this perfume. This perfume needs to be reviewed once again because I am not happy with their uh, the way it performs, the way it's smelling right now. I do not like it. I do not know what's the hype is all about. All the influencers are posting about this and telling it's so good, it's so good, it's a dupe of Kayali pistachio. I do not think so at all, because I have smelled Kayali pistachio. It is nothing like it. I can smell strong perfume, okay, very strong perfume, and it do not gives me a headache at all. But I just do not know, this plum pistachio perfume is giving me headache, bang on headache. I just fear to apply this on my body, because I know as soon as I will get this, I am going to suffer from headache, a severe headache from me. If I am applying this perfume on me, from me my partner is getting a headache, smelling this. I just not using this perfume at all. See, I do not know what will I do with all this product. How will I use it? Where will I use it? Where will I apply it? I am totally clueless. But the review I'm giving on it is that I tried to love this. Okay, I was very excited to get this. See, firstly, the thing is, when I expected pistachio, to be very honest, I, expected it to be sweet. I love sweet fragrances. I do not know, but I love sweet fragrances. I am sucker for sweet fragrances. You just give me vanilla, sweetness, almond, caramello, milk. I just love those kind of fragrances rather than, floral and all these fragrances. I am totally fond of sweet kind of fragrances. So when I firstly sniffed this, I was totally heartbroken, because it was not a gourmand kind of smell, nothing like a sweetness, but it is also kind of a fresh pistachios. Okay, it smells like fresh pistachios. Okay, so we have come to an end of this video. So if you have liked all the swatches and reviews on my perfume video, please show some love, and yeah, please comment down below for more such reviews and honest swatches of any beauty products, or any reviews on products. So please comment down below and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.